If you're thinking about roofing materials, you gotta know what's actually out there so you don't end up stuck with something that's a pain or way too pricey. Alright, so first off, asphalt shingles are like the go-to choice for tons of homes because they're affordable, easy to install, and come in lots of colors. Then you have metal roofing, which might sound fancy, but it's super durable and can last decades if you pick the right type. Clay tiles are another option, and they look really cool, especially on Mediterranean-style houses, plus they handle heat like a champ. Slate is fancy and long-lasting, but yeah, it can cost a pretty penny, and you'll want pros to put it on because it's heavy and tricky. Wood shakes give you that natural, rustic vibe, but need a bit more care to keep them from rotting or catching fire. When choosing, think about your climate, budget, and how much upkeep you want to deal with. Also, always check if your contractor uses quality materials because cheap stuff can ruin your roof fast. Don't forget to ask about warranties too, since that can save you a headache later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing materials is picking something just based on looks without thinking about durability and weather resistance, which can lead to leaks or damage real quick. Fix this by researching what suits your area's climate. Another common issue is not budgeting enough for installation and maintenance costs, so you might end up cutting corners or delaying repairs. Make sure to get detailed quotes and factor in upkeep. Lastly, some folks skip getting multiple quotes or checking contractor credentials, which can cause problems with shoddy work or unexpected expenses. Always compare contractors and read reviews before signing anything. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who specialize in roofing and other big jobs, making it way easier to get reliable help without the stress. Contractors also benefit because the site connects them with real clients looking for their skills, so it's a win-win for everyone involved.